Introducing Ivy, the revolutionary 3D printer. It's smart and easy enough for anyone to use, even for a child. Start with your design or select one. Click Make. Ivy will do the rest. Easily change different modules like camera sensors, CNC, laser and SLA to build all kinds of projects quickly. Dual cameras automatically identify the chocolate's position and shape, help place designs, and start to make in no time. Ivy moves precisely to the accuracy of 1/10 of the human hair. With the SLA toolset, you can create models with remarkable detail. The cutting-edge Smooth Keep technology makes the print surface smoother and your models more lifelike. Now there is no limit to what you can create. Combine your ideas and creativity to produce unique gifts effortlessly. The precision-engineered frame and Ivy's closed-loop motion control system ensure the printer's accuracy, so you can rebuild the model precisely. Ivy will become your model factory, treasure box, and never let you miss creating any of your spur-of-the-moment ideas, even ideas from a child. The 3D scanning function digitizes objects quickly and easily for recreation. You can create designs with various materials, and also Ivy supports both FDM and SLA technology. Make a sophisticated robot arm, or customize the 3D scanned key and recreate it. With Ivy, you can easily produce happy memories for life. Explore Ivy's extensive object library to find great existing projects ready to build. The models are so accurate and smooth, you can produce parts for assembly and painting. The printing quality is exquisite to provide good replacement solutions and valuable reference. Use Ivy on your phone or other devices anywhere, anytime. Ivy was born to help dreams come true. Become your children's superhero when you create with Ivy to bring your children's dreams into reality. Doctors are always pursuing accuracy, productivity, and reliability. Ivy has the same pursuit of building your ideas. Engrave a fascinating portrait on the leather with the laser tool. Cut special fibers to build extraordinary and colorful pop-up books. With SLA tool, you can even make an engagement ring by yourself. Ivy is love, is responsibility, and witnesses your happy moments. This is Ivy, the revolutionary 3D printer. Get an Ivy and start your wonderful journey now.
If you could create anything, what would you build? With Pluto, you can start this right now. This is not just a plan. After more than 2 years of constant development, Pluto is ready. With Pluto, you can save space. We designed it to be far smaller than a regular desktop 3D printer. It's compact like a coffee machine. With Pluto, you can work more precise than ever before, thanks to custom-built projector with DLP technology and the high-end components provided by IGUS. Pluto is plug and play. You just connect it to your computer, launch the free software, and let the magic happen in the liquid resin. It's that easy. Turn your own desktop table into a small factory anytime you wish. Make functional prototypes, jewelry, toys. The possibilities are endless. The details of the printed objects are peerless. Pluto is also open source. You are free to develop and try your own ideas and share them with the community. Pluto is made and supported by an experienced team of engineers, designers, IT specialists. We got your back.